is the time of our lives. Come into our minds, time to